actually works. It's super cool. I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get modded version of the game Pirates of the Caribbean TOW. So let me just show you guys how to download it. So this is the modded version right here. I'm going to open it up just so you guys can see. So as you can see, I'm not rich or anything, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited gems. So I just enabled that. So let's see if our gems go up, guys. So hopefully they do start increasing. You can see all three resource counts right there. Actually there's like 6 of them, but whatever. So let's see what happens to our Pirates of the Caribbean game. Are we going to get rich or stay poor? Well, let's see what happens to our game. And bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So it's really easy, actually. All we need to do really is go to this website. So it's called tweakmod.com. So let me just type that in. So on this site, guys, just type Pirates and you should see it. So press install. So before it downloads, there's going to be one more step. This is the verification step. So you need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free to do from official App Store, and this should install the Pirates of the Caribbean mod onto your phone. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up, as you can see. All right, so it's loading right now. So let's see what happens. So yeah, it's loading, so we'll just give it a second. So basically it's going to say missing files, and we just need to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, missing files. So you just need to download 2 of the apps. So like Family Island's like a game, it says reach level 9. And then we have Underdog Fantasy. This one you guys search something up. And TikTok is just downloading for 30 seconds. Same with Evertail. So just do 2 of them, guys. Doesn't have to be the same ones as me. And then you should have your Pirates of the Caribbean mod.